Hey YouTube, it's Jessie. I'm back with a music video reaction. I will be reacting to Oh My Girl, Windy Day music video released yesterday. Woo! Woo! Anyways, let's get started before my camera dies on me and go. Oh, flying a kite? Okay. Windy Day. Oh god, she's like a doll. She's so pretty. Okay, they're all so pretty, but like that one girl was like a doll. Got some little Tweety birds. Oh, set them free. That forest, that's really classic. Like, I love forest themes in music videos. What was that, a deer? She saw a deer. Wait, don't shoot it. Oh, so windy. Okay, I see where they got the title from. Is there just a bed in the middle of the music video? You know, just fall asleep out in the meadow. I'm sure that would be a really nice sleep. Is she in a maze? Are they lost in a maze? Okay, I like the music. The music is good. Okay, it is really windy. They have like the little antlers. A mirror in the middle of the forest. You know, like that's normal. Are they gonna escape the maze, like... Oh no! So they're all like deers? I mean, they're all pretty, so it makes sense that they would be a deer. It looks like a tornado. They all look so pretty though. They're all crazy pretty, even though the wind's blowing at them like crazy. I like that music video. It's cute. It's, I don't know, I guess it's nice and natural because it's in the nature. Anyways, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I will see you later. Goodbye!